Oh my god, it's sirens, it's police. Good morning guys, I hope you all are having a great day. I just wanted to start today's vlog off by doing like a bit of commentary over the top because this vlog is gonna it's changed a lot of stuff and like all that. Basically we started off like today's vlog, I'm just gonna go out, we were on our way to Parkway and we were trying to make a cool video, go up by the train tracks and literally just get some cool shots for you guys, just get a cool video out of it. But what we didn't know was that we were going to end up halfway through getting arrested by police. I want to say, guys, this is the last time I'm doing like one of these things such as like exploring an abandoned place or going and like basically trespassing, that type of stuff. Just watch the vlog. Respect me for that, boy. Let's get some shots. Just stick to the far. Oh my god, Cam. Okay, I need friends here, one looking at. Come on, BG. Cal! Cal! Wait for this blue car to go. Yeah. Cal! We out here, fam! We out here, boys! We're off the edge of the bridge on the train. Look at these cars go past. House down there, there's a car coming through. Get down. Look, people waiting for their train down there. I'll put the camera. Oh, there's a train. Oh, there's a train, man. Get down there. Lie down, Cam. Lie down. Lie down. Just lie down and do not move. Guys, there's a train. Guys, there's a freaking train. Okay guys, so the next bit, as you've seen, we just like a train went past and we're like, oh yeah, we're just gonna get like one or like a couple more photos just of us on the bridge, then we were gonna get down, and then as we were doing that another train came and this is where we knew we had to go. Callum, now! Quickly, I didn't give a Fine, now let's just go walk down, let's have a walk. Can I have a train? Shut up. Please get this for the vlog. Come on, it's gonna fit and go. Come on. Train. Oh, let's go. Oh, yo. Train coming this way. Just get down here. Just come, get down here. Don't move. Come here, sir. Alright guys, so this part now is obviously where I just got my bike and I met up with Cam and Callum because they put their bikes on another part, and you might have not seen it, so I'm going to pause the clip so you guys can see it right now. Basically, that guy there, the one with the orange beard where the arrow was pointing, he basically kept looking at Cam and Callum when they were getting their bikes out, and I stopped recording, not thinking, like, I didn't know nothing. I stopped recording. The next 2 police officers came out and he pointed at us and spoke to them. Guys, police just pulled up and they're watching us. Look how this guy was here, managed to get bikes. We're out. Police are after us. It's happened twice now. Oh my god, it's sirens, it's police.
Right, where have you just come from?
Down there.
No, be more specific than that.
Parkway.
Right, how did you get to Parkway?
On our bikes.
Right, you didn't, did you? Because we saw you get on your bikes at Parkway. How did you get to your bikes?
We rode our bikes up to Parkway and we got some up, and then we got our backs.
And where have you been at Parkway? I'll tell you for why. Shall I come in so you can listen to this?
We went in the car park and we were shooting like a video.
Right.
And
let me tell you now before you tell any lies, right? Because I don't like people that tell me lies,
yeah.
right? We're the British Transport Police. We police the railways.
Yeah.
The reason why we've come out chasing after you three, we've just had a report from a train driver that 3 boys about 14 years of age, one all in black, wearing a blue and black top, sorry, blue and red top, yours is black and red, whatever, right? You 2 have been on the tracks, you haven't. What have you got?
Basically, because we do we shoot videos.
Where do you want the tracks?
Yeah, but like, we didn't,
There's no excuses there.
yeah, we didn't go on the track, we just on like the edge of it, they were like by the
Right,
bridges.
were you over the fence then?
Fence?
Yeah. Did you go over the fence? Were you next to the railway line?
Yeah, next to it, we didn't go on it.
We've got 2 males
Sorry.
with bikes, but
No point saying sorry to me, my lovely. Alright? I deal with the aftermath of children like yourselves who get hit by trains.
yeah, just follow the
Yeah.
car
Right,
back
you
straight the
cannot
way through to the
imagine
other side and you'll see the van
The
on the
things
corner
I
of the
feel,
road.
Yeah,
the things I have to go home and tell mums and dads guardians, foster parents, whoever.
Yeah.
All
That's
right.
understandable, yeah. That's fine.
Okay. So this is the only reason we come chasing after you. Can you get hold of your mate?
Oh yeah, we'll try here.
No. You're not leaving that needs right?
Okay.
We have to come and speak to you. Who looks after you? Mum, Dad?
Yeah.
Yourself? Did you go trackside and be honest?
We weren't on the track. We were going.
Trackside is anywhere near the tracks. If this is the road, right? This is a fence or any kind of barrier to stop you go to here, which is the railway line. Were you that side?
Yeah.
Right. So that's trackside. So you've committed the offence of trespass as well.
How old are you?
13.
13. Right, can you ring your mates to come back?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so at this point we got caught by the police, as you could tell. They asked us questions on why we went up there, and like we didn't really know what trackside was, to be honest. That's why we were like, what, and like all that, and then they told us, and then like now we obviously know what it means and that. So we told them what we did, and then we had to call Callum. He didn't end up answering or coming back or nothing like that. So Callum managed to get away, the lucky little bugger. But anyway, yeah. So then, yeah, we then got pulled into the van, and yeah, just roll the clip.
Go slow. Yes, do it.
Okay, so after that, I didn't get to film any part of the other part. I got they dropped Cam off first. We spoke to his parents, then I got dropped off at the police spoke to my mum and everything like that. Told them what we did and all that. Then I basically got in trouble. They just spoke. We're gonna have to be going to the police station like next week or something to like watch some videos and stuff. They're letting us off with the fine. But yeah, they're letting us off with the fine, luckily anyway. But we're not gonna, you can just tell we're not doing any more of this stuff because it's just stupid. Like, when I did it before, I just thought it was all cool and that. But now I look back on it and I'm like, what an idiot. I'm actually an idiot. So, looking back on it, yeah, this video, the question is, yeah, was it worth it? And my answer is no, it was not worth it. And I'm laughing now, but it's not funny. But yeah, we didn't get to film any other part. That bit was obviously us in the van. Yeah, and after the van we got taken home and all that. But yeah, if you did enjoy, like I always say, smash the thumbs up. We're almost at 400, that's positive. We're almost at 400 subscribers. We're like, what, like 10 away? So hopefully we can get that in this week. This week is what I'm hoping for. And if we hit it in this week, then I won't fight any more. But yeah, like the video, subscribe, peace.